Ever heard the saying, tell me who your friends are and I'm telling you where you're going? Well, this property got it right.
Can you feel
Publix, Kroger, Rigby's.
This one will have you going places.
It may not seem like much at first, but this wraparound porch makes up for it. Just imagine having your morning coffee right here.
inside a disco night?
Game night? It's happening at your house. Yep, this house has it.
Watching the stars collide into the ceiling. Heartbreak high is just a feeling. Baseline blue making you
Comfort meets charm. This bedroom and bathroom give you the retreat that you need after a long day at work. 0.27 acres means less mowing for you and more time spent making memories with your family.
I know you have been wondering how to see this one in person before it's gone faster than you can blink. So here's how to contact me. If it's